Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have an unboxing. I had a company called Hubman and Chubgirl reach out to me. They are a stationery company and they do some really cute stationery and planner sort of like stickers and goodies and things like that. They have some really fun kits for all different kinds of themes and seasons and holidays. And they asked me which one I would like to review and possibly make something out of for my channel. And so I told them a fall kit, and so I'm going to be showing you that today. This is a super cute packaging. This is what it came in, and Happy Mail is here. It's super cute. Everything is like all these cute little characters and cartoon like stuff, and I just love them. And so what I thought was that if I had a fall theme, I could make a gratitude journal and kind of do it junk journal style, but use it for Thanksgiving, like my thankfulness journal or gratitude journal for the month of November. So I'm going to go ahead and show this to you, and I'll have a link down below. And I believe they have, if I can attach a coupon code down below as well, I will do that. So just go ahead and check down the links in the description box. So here's a fun little card, and I'm assuming this is kind of a portrait of their family. Really cute. And there's the store name there. It's just a super adorable thank you card. And then here's the package. I think this was called the Pumpkin Spice Collection. I'm going to go ahead and move the box out of the way. I haven't opened this up yet, but I did look at it on their website. Everything is just packaged really nicely. And get it open here, and I'll show you what this has. Okay, so this has an enamel pin. That's really cute. Little pumpkin holding like a pumpkin spice latte or something like that. Has little black connectors on the back. That's really cute. I can put that on the cover of my journal. And then it has 2 rolls of washi tape. Let me open them up, then you can see what they look like without the plastic. And I just love all the labels. Really cute. Okay. I can use the labels too. So, let me pull the end piece off here. Well, I'll show it to you like that. I'm gonna have to, this is like the cover for the end, but you can see that it's pumpkin pie, pumpkin cake, pumpkin cupcakes. So that's really cute. Then this one says Pumpkin Harvest. The other one said Pumpkin Spice Season, and this one says Pumpkin Harvest. So let me get this one off. Just need to get the other one was a little bit easier to get off. There, I just need to push it a little bit, peel it off. Oh, that one's not, shoot. I didn't want to ruin the top part. Oh well, I think I can still use that even though I ripped part of the paper off. Alright. I think this one just has little pumpkins on it. Alright. has pumpkins. Really cute. And then it has a bunch of different stickers. These are die cut stickers. Yeah, vinyl die cut stickers. I'll go ahead and open these up. Oh, these are adorable. Here's one with a scarf. They're so cute. A latte, pumpkin pie, and they all have little faces. Those are adorable. And then there's several different sticker sheets. So these are great kits for if you do journaling or planning, like in a happy planner. But you can also use these in like a dot journal. And as I said, I'm going to make like a traveler's notebook style junk journal and do a daily thankfulness journal and write in like verses on thankfulness and write in like things I'm thankful for each day. So there's, I'll go through these. That one. And then there's bigger sheets. These are really cute. Just lots of stickers. I don't think there's any die cuts. I think these are vinyl too. They're just smaller. Just making sure there aren't two there. These are really cute. And so this is like considered the mega pack, but they have smaller packs of each of the themes. This one says it's a variety sticker pack, 7 assorted sticker sheets. There's just a lot of stickers. So what I plan on doing is looking through my papers and matching up papers with my journal. And look at this. I can totally use this in my journal too. It's really cute. And here's some clear stickers. And then this one looks like a vellum sticker sheet. There's 2 of those, different colors and different pictures. And then here's some vellum borders. And then here's a sheet of pumpkins and little tiny borders, I guess. Those would be perfect for on your day, like in a happy planner or something. I have a playlist of planning videos that I used to do. So I will try and, actually they are on my playlist. Link for them is down in the description if you wanted to go see those. I don't do planner videos anymore, but they're still up on my channel. And these are perfect for happy planner or different planners. But as I said, I'm going to use them in my thankfulness journal or gratitude journal or whatever you want to call it. And I can write little things in there. These are really cute. Super cute. All right, and that is the pack. Something that they have that would be really fun is they have an advent calendar. I think they have one for Christmas, and then they have one that's just like a fun theme, and I can't remember the theme. I'll put it up. I'll put a picture up here so you can see it. But it's just a super fun kit, and it comes with more than just stickers. It comes with like little stuffed animals of their characters and just different items, kind of like the pin, but other kinds of things. So yeah, these are so fun. I love them. It's a little bit different from my normal junk journaling stuff, but I had been seeing videos like on Instagram and Facebook ads and stuff for this channel, and I was so excited when they decided to ask me to do a video for them. So if you'd like to check this out, it's www.hubmanchubgirl.store, and that's where you can go and check out all their fun little stickers and kits and things like that. And then if there is a coupon code, I'll go ahead and put that down in the description for you. So, but come back, because I'll be doing a video of my thankfulness journal, possibly just starting to make it, or if I complete it, I'll show it to you, whatever. There'll be another video, at least one other one, and you'll get to see what I make with all these fun little things. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.